Hi guys, I'm Masked Cuber, and today we're going to learn CLL cases in this OLL. So when you see two pieces are same over here, and these two are opposite here, then you can just do our normal OLL algorithm, which is R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. Okay, so when you see these two are the same and these two are opposite, so you can just rotate it to here and do a pseudo algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And you can rotate it or do a U prime and do the OL algorithm for this case, which is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Okay, so when you see these two are the same and these two are also the same. So in this case, you're going to do R, U prime, R prime, F, L prime, U, L, U, L prime, U, L. When you see these two are opposite and these two are opposite, then you're going to rotate it to here, or you can do a U instead, and do F, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, U, R2, F prime. So this is the reverse algorithm of this CLL case, which we learned last time. So this one is R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, F prime. And remember, when you're doing the U, you can use your left index to push it instead of regrip. And here the cases that are a little bit harder to recognize. So you might not really see any patterns here. So you can just imagine that you're going to twist all the corners to solve the cube. I know this is illegal in a real competition, but you can try this. So after you twist these two, this part will be solved. But if you're twisting these two, then this part will not be solved. That will be opposite. So you can just imagining what is going to happen after you twist the corners. And if you see that after you twist all corners, the front bar will be solved, then you can do this algorithm. R prime, F2, R, F prime, U2, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F. And same for this one, just imagine that you're twisting corners to solve it, and you will see it's opposite in front of you. But if you twist it back, that will be a soft bar. So in this case, you're going to do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U2, and R, F prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And here's some tricks to recognize the last two cases. So if you see one bar, like one piece is here and similar to the piece that is over here, then that will be the second case, which is the bar at the back case. So you're just going to do this algorithm. And for this one, you can see this piece is similar to this one. So that's opposite than the previous one, because in that one, these two are the same, and this one, these two are the same. So that means it's the first case that the bar is in front of you, like these two. So you can see it. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's it for our CL tutorial today. Thanks for watching.